In this video I show you how you can connect yourself with the surrounding space in two different manners. With a light-filled or with a warmth-filled quality. This gesture is called the reverence in eurythmy. You cross your arms and bring them towards your body. You feel the pressure of the one on the other and feel into yourself. To stay in the force of air and in contact with that which you revere, I suggest that in addition to taking your feeling and perception inwards, you also expand your inner awareness into the surrounding space from the heart. When you do this with the space above and to the left and right of yourself, a light-filled quality comes into being. See that you don't lose the path going within, whilst still remaining in contact to above and the sides. If you make contact to the front and surroundings from within, a quality of warmth comes into being. Then, in bringing the gesture in towards you, you activate the heart zone within, so that the whole chest region rays forwards and takes up contact to the space in front of you. Then a strong exchange of energy between within and without takes place, and a strong feeling of meeting with that is in front of me. I go within and remember to meet that which I took into myself. A true meeting, a true air. For the experience of taking something higher into yourself and come into an inner dialogue with it, you don't necessarily need to lay the hands on the chest. If you ray through the arms and hands finally from the heart, then you can create a connection between yourself, your heart, and the surroundings.